Okay, so this is my backyard. This is at the highest record. This is record setting now, the Assunpink Creek. This is in my backyard of where I live, and the water is right to these rocks. A couple houses up down creek are probably experiencing a little flooding in their backyard right now. This is right at the barrier. Right at the barrier. And on TV they just said that it's a record. It broke the previous record, a record high. Okay, so now I'm back at the bridge again. The Assunpink Creek Bridge over here near the Architect Building, the statue. I'm not sure what this is called. I think it's Montgomery Plaza. I think it's Montgomery Plaza. Montgomery Street here in Mill Hill. And the log that I showed you earlier is completely submerged now. You can't see it anymore. You know it's there because you can see that wave crashing right there. So the water is smashing against the bridge. The bridge is holding up, lovely. We're witnessing a record. You are witnessing a record high for the Assunpink Creek. It's official. It broke the previous record. At least that's what the meteorologists on Channel 10 are saying. Or 6, I'm not sure. I haven't checked the DRC website yet. Links have been going around to the neighbors and people in Trenton to keep an eye on the Delaware River and Assunpink Creek. I'm just going to follow this guy around because he's a photographer and he's got a good eye. And wow, look at this scene. Amazing the way it's hitting against this rock. Wow. Yeah, it's amazing the way it's at a record high. So can I interview you for my blog, Trenton United? No. Oh, come on. Oh, no you don't. All right. So what brings? I know why I'm out here. I'm out here to try to get video footage of the record high creek. By the way, my name is Robert Chilson. I'm with the blog Trenton United. I don't know if you've ever heard of it. So what brings you out? Why are you out and about today?
Well, yesterday we had to evacuate out my house.
Oh really?
Yeah,
where do you live?
Lamberton Street.
Oh okay, yeah. Lamberton Street, Ferry Street area. Yeah.
About to evacuate. They had an hour to evacuate. They had boats.
What's your name?
Brent.
Okay. And they had boats out there and everything, huh?
Yeah.
So a friend or relative, taking you in, helping you out?
Yeah, my mom.
There you go.
Stayed there for a couple days.
Good, all right. Fellow Trentonian family member and looking out for you. That's great. Hey, our community's got to come together in times like these and stick together. And we should be like this all the time, right? Yeah. All right, thank you, sir. All right, so this is going pretty close to the Delaware here. Now all cement now near the highway, and you can see along the lines of the cement at the level it was at one point. Okay, so this is next to the Marriott here. This would be like, I guess, the Warren Street overpass. And record high for the Assunpink Creek today. On that wall, you can see the line where how high it was at one point. So it is definitely receding. If you can see that watermark. So it's going down. That's evidence of that. That watermark along the brick there. So looks like it's, I don't know, it's a couple feet probably. So it's receded a couple of feet anyway. At this juncture anyway. So, and this is downstream. So now we are near the War Memorial. See how closer I can get. I'd like to get to the point where this meets with the Delaware River. Now we're pretty close to the Delaware River. You can still see the water's pretty high. There are some kind of workers out here. So it is going down a little bit. Still pretty high over here.